Look at the screen right now. What you are seeing is fresh, live Adsterra earning in payout proof updating directly on my dashboard for today. This is the exact daily performance of the Adsterra loading method, a proven, automated strategy designed to give you a 100% earning guarantee from day one, generating a minimum of $100 every single day. Here is why this system is completely beginner-friendly. No high-spec device required. You do not need to buy an expensive computer or upgrade your laptop. This custom bot is lightweight and operates smoothly on any basic, ordinary device you already have at home. No website needed. You can completely skip the hassle and expense of buying domains, building websites, or paying monthly web hosting subscriptions. Everything runs directly using your Adsterra direct link. Zero hidden fees. There are no surprise monthly charges, no hidden costs, and zero extra investment needed down the road. Full lifetime access to this complete method and bot is available for a simple, flat, one-time payment of $250. To ensure fast and secure transactions worldwide, I accept Binance, USDT, and Payout. I know the internet is full of fake screenshots and edited videos, and you have every right to demand real proof. That is why I operate with complete transparency. If you have any doubt that these results are genuine, send me a message right now. I will gladly hop on a live AnyDesk session with you, open up my actual Adsterra account, and refresh the browser live right in front of your eyes. My name is Adam and Froy. Stop putting off your goals while others build daily automated income. Send me a direct message right now, claim your copy of the bot, and start collecting your 100